guys, back again. Episode 5 we're on. Start every episode the same, but amazing that we're here, and I promise this time I'm going to do less talking. I'm just going to run the footage, a wee continuation from last week. We'll get the rear sills done, welded up, and so there'll be a few time lapses, and we'll finish the radiator mount and hopefully can drive the car safely, as it hasn't really been driven safely for the last 3 years since I changed that radiator. It's always been sitting kind of loose. So yeah, just let you enjoy hopefully. Start with the usual clear out. Also, how much do I need to paint the garage floor? Look at the dust. When the welding is done, the floor is getting painted. Here is a shock change of events, guys, coming up. Wow, I have jump started this car for every year since I've got it actually, and now we have a charger. I think that's as bad as I was expecting. So hopefully the clips have made some sense up to now, but this aftermarket radiator I bought actually sits level, whereas standard radiator was a wee bit higher, so the clamps as standard have a kink in them to sort this out, but you can see with this sample vid, show you the straight edge, it's almost completely flat, so I'm going to make something like that over here. Sorry about the wee rusty bolts you can see here and the dust everywhere. This will be tidied up, but I'm just going to try and finish these off just now. We've got a wee half hour before the light runs out. Got to say, guys, I'm pretty happy with these. Don't know if it's coming across how cold it is just now. I'm trying to film, obviously still with the shorts and stuff on, which isn't probably helping, but once again, excuse the dust. I'd love for the engine bay to be nice and clean when I show you this, but the radiator is now mounted properly. I've stuck in the cooling panel just to show how things normally look off all this being covered with the carbon, to be honest. I think this time round I'm going to get these all tidied up to match hopefully quite a clean engine bay, but got to say, quite chuffed with how they've turned out. Do you think they should be wrapped or should I leave them bare metal, maybe just spray them black? Let us know what you think. Hi guys, I've came back into the car. I don't know if it's coming across in my voice, but it's so cold this weekend. But hope you enjoyed that. We've made a lot of progress on the rear sills. Both sides are now done. I've actually ordered some Nissan grey paint that is arriving this week, so I'm going to paint them up before I put the side skirts back on. We've had a look at the front skirts also. Still in two minds whether to stick in a new wee bit of metal there or whether we just fold it out. It looks okay folded out. I don't want to show you it now. I'd rather sample the side skirt back on next week, and depending how it sits, that's when I'll make the decision what we do regards to metal up front. And yeah, I've got to say thanks again for watching. If you are still watching to this point, I keep saying it, but I'm amazed I'm doing it, but it's keeping me so interested in the car, and hopefully it's inspiring some other people to work on theirs. I know it's a crazy thing we're in at the moment, and the best we can do is to get out to the garage. But yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you next week.